Thanks for watching. We got a honeybee swarm we're getting ready to get. Basically, I'm gonna...
The only other person close by that might have some would be Higgins up there.
They might be his. May not be. They could be living in your rafters or your barns. You never know. But...
Well, I know I got a bunch over here in this old dozer.
well, this is how we're gonna get them.
Huh?
Here's how we're gonna get them. Old Benny over there watching Dad work, getting the bees. It's a little swarm we're trying to catch. They was up inside that hanging. There's a few left over down there. We're waiting on them. Like I said, they're coming out of that dozer. And if you look over there, there's some bees flying in and out of the bottom part. So I'm pretty sure that's where they came from. Probably got a little nest in there. Come up with where they came from. I'm almost quite certain they came from this dozer. And if you look right there, that's my scenario that says I think they came from there. What do y'all think? Okay, so I've actually got some of the frames back in. Open. So now we have the lid back on. The entrance opened. Just letting the ladies kind of get used to their home. Old Benny Mac helping Dad. Hey Bentley. He's camera shy. Had a little swarm up there and shook them right into there. Now we're gonna take this home and set them up.